Hi guys, Tea and Beauty here with another video. So I bought a where's my phone? Oh, I could use, no, I need my phone. Un momento. Because I am going to show you guys what I have bought on Amazon, and I'm going to unbox it and put it up with you guys. I have not opened that box as of yet, so if there's any surprise in that box, you will be surprised with me. But I'm hoping there's no surprise and everything is going to be great. I got this Hollywood makeup mirror, and the size I got it in was 24 inches long and 31.5 inches wide. Oh, come on, please show. Perfect. It says it should be delivered on January 10th, but I got it way sooner. I got it way sooner. I got it on December 28th, and I purchased it on, I think, December 20th. So 8 days after, not bad at all. I live in the US, FYI. So yes, so let's get into unboxing this mirror. This is a one-man show, so be patient with me. Alright, so that's how big the box is. I ain't lying, I would have loved if it was just as big as the box. And the plan is to put it on here. Just put it on that dresser. As you see here, big old box. I should have gotten help. I really should have. I have to be honest. It is safely secured. Much better. So good idea about this. You cut the box. This is all the stuff. I'm gonna lay flat on the back because this is the front. Not sure what this is yet, but we're gonna find out. And nothing like a manual. Always read your manual. Dr. Miles Monroe taught me that. This is the power adapter. Moment of truth is right here. So it should be 18 bulbs, but this is what it looks like. Oh my God. Now it's all screwed in nicely. Let's go ahead and put it on the dresser. Guys, it works. It works. All lights works. All the light works. And it does have a little plug right here. Okay, my USB plug for if you want to charge your cell phone. Oh, I'm excited. I'm excited. My battery is about to die, so I'm gonna just stop the video and come back and show you guys. You know, I'm like, I'm just gonna go ahead and clean and everything. I changed the battery. So I don't like to spray my mirrors. I like to spray the paper towel, then clean my mirror. Let me know, guys, what you prefer doing. So I spray the paper towel. All right, guys, so amen, amen, amen. Yes, Lord. Okay, so this is the finished look. Pardon my, before I go any further, pardon my mess. How it looks right now. It is beautiful. It's like the size of literally. All right, guys, so this is the end of this video. Thank you guys so much for unboxing with me so far. Very only tiny disappointment is that I have to put little cardboard under the mirror so it stays somewhat steady. Still not quite there yet, but hey, if that's the only problem, I don't have a problem. So yes, and this video is not sponsored, just to let you guys know that. As I mentioned earlier anyways, that I paid $166.99 plus tax, because Connecticut has some high taxes, so it wasn't that cheap. I think it maybe came up to like maybe 170 something. Tax, honey, tax. But yes, so I am not disappointed. I'm very excited. All the bulbs are working. I feel bad for people who has a review saying the bulbs, they don't work, blah blah blah. I don't know. Sometimes you get good, sometimes things happens, you know. But I'm glad it didn't happen to me. Only regret, and I didn't even realize I don't have a remote. I would like to be on my bed, click and click off, you know what I'm saying, but that's the least of the problem. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. This is a day that the Lord has made. Let us rejoice and be glad in it. Please just don't think of yourself only, but always think about somebody else. God bless. Bye. Oh, and the reason for gloves is very important, because when you're cleaning your mirror, you don't leave fingerprints. You don't get paper cut. Honey, you don't get paper cut with these. If the gloves get cut, you take it off and put another one on, so you don't get paper cut. All right, bye.